Hello dear friend, DaVinci Resolve 20.2.3 has just been released now. We have already downloaded DaVinci Resolve 20.2.3. If you haven't downloaded dear friend, just download. After downloading this update, maybe your DaVinci Resolve 20 will be more stable on your computer dear friends. Now let's go through some of the best favorite features of color page in DaVinci Resolve 20 series update dear friend. You know DaVinci Resolve is famous for color grading. Lots of new features have already been added in DaVinci Resolve 20 series update in color page. So today dear friend, let's go all these features regarding color page, color grading etc, especially. So I have made this update tutorial especially for color page, so don't miss any part of the video. All parts are very important here. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more creative tutorial for you. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC to download DaVinci Resolve 20.2.3 and let's go through some unique features of color page here. Hello dear friend, for this update come here DaVinci Resolve here. Just check for update, and this is our new update DaVinci Resolve 20.2.3 here. If you haven't downloaded, just download dear friend. After this update, maybe your DaVinci Resolve will be performing very well. For me, around 1 week, DaVinci Resolve is not stable when adding text, effects etc. Sometimes the program is clunky, sometimes it's good. So I think after this update DaVinci Resolve will be smoother dear friend. So just click here to download. We have already several downloads video, how to download, how to execute all the files, commands etc. You can go to our playlist and see. Here we will download very fast and we will see some features of DaVinci Resolve 20 series updates. Maybe this class will be very useful to you dear friend. Just click here to download. Okay, we have just started download. This is a 8 GB file. It's a heavy file, so it will take some time. So wait, after that execute all the commands and it will be installed on your computer. Hello dear friend, now we are inside DaVinci Resolve. Now for this update, come here. You can see here we are in edit page. Just come here, click here color page. Now we are inside color page. In color page, just click here effect. In effect, type here a light rays. Just click here, you can see here, and just drag this to here to node here. This is our color node 1. Just drag here and put here. Now you can see we are here in light rays. Now let's see what's the update. So from location, rays direction will be from a location here. You can add an angle, it will be from an angle. From a location, it will be from location. I just put here an angle, and appearance you can see ray a drop off, it will be on default soft. There are various options here. Though we just come here, angle here, you can see here angle, and we can make it smaller. You can see here, you can like raise effect, you can give effect like this. If you have window, from window you can make this effect here. You can see here and angle, just make it smaller. Okay, here you can see here a smaller like this effect. You can see if you make it a smaller angle, you can see we have a small raise. When you enlarge it, it will be bigger. You can see here it covers the whole area. You can see here. So like in this way you can adjust angle. You can from location, it will be location, always use at angle, it gives a good effect now. Okay, here you can see here now we have light rays effect. And now we come here for the update. This is the new features. You can see here atmosphere. In now we have atmosphere here. Just click here add atmosphere, and now we have atmosphere. And now actually you can add it a strength, like you see you can make a strength bigger. You see a stronger strength you can add. You see I am adding here. You can see here we have rays here in this area, and detail you can add now details here. You can see here I am adding details. Take a video and a small video about nature and use, then you will understand. You can see now we can make it grain like scale. You see rays, we can give a more grain effect to our race. You see here. And ratio, you can add H versus V ratio. You see, I can make it very fashionable using this. This is the new feature inside light rays here. Evolution, you can add, like you see here. There are all settings you have to explore. And you see, I can give the very unique rays effect to my video here. Okay, you can add seed effect. You see here, seed like this. See the effect. And now we play here. Out 7 6. In this way you can use. Now there are lots of setting already here, but now we have here atmosphere, so we can add more effect. Atmosphere, strength, detail, scale, H versus V ratio, evolution, seed, strength. We can make it strength like this, more strength. You see here. So in rays you can do a lots of things. We have lots of settings in atmosphere. Try this effect, dear friend. Once you use, then you will understand how it's working. You see, I am changing. So according to your footage, your video and location, you can use this. So this atmosphere provides us particles. You see, various type of particles we can add inside rays here. You see, I am adding particle strength, detail in particles. You can add the details, scale, sheath. You see, I'm adding particle like this. HV ratio, you see, I'm changing. You see, in this way, this is changing. So you have to practice and see and explore this. So now we have particle and we have more control over this light rays effect here. And now you can see plano. I guarantee this. These features are very so try, dear friend. Let's go for our new feature here. We have same effect in glow. Just type here glow in effect now. Click here and drag this glow to node here, color node here. And now we have glow effect. You can see glow effect. Time saving, game changing feature. In glow, we have already several type of settings. If you are an advanced colorist, you can understand these settings, but I just show you how new feature works. Come here, this is our secondary glow. You can add. Now we have secondary glow. You see here, you can add here. And now we come here to atmosphere. This is our new feature. You can see here this atmosphere. Just add atmosphere, and same like light rays, you can add particles to glow. You see here strength. Now I'm changing strength here. You can see it's visible here. You see here. Now we can optimize glow here according to our need. You see here on my face here, strength, I want to make it more strength. Okay, bigger. You can see it's smaller. Small strength. Here we are giving big strength. You see here. Okay, here this. Okay, this point details we can add here. You see. Now in details to strength you can add. You see, I am adding, and you can visible here. You can see. Okay, now this is our detail scale. Now you see, this is the particles. Now we can make it bigger, a smaller scale. Okay, too much is not good, very small is also not good. Okay, this is good. Okay, here, and HV ratio we have here, same like light rays, and we can add. You see here, this point is good. You can make it smaller here in this left right side. I'm going to right side here. Okay, this area is good here. You see here race and evolution we have. You see, it's a very small. It makes small like atmospheric effect we are getting here. You see here. So in this way we can add here, and seed you can add. You see seed, it's like cloudy effect, more cloudy. You see here. Okay, everything is okay. No we place, and we had been waiting these new features inside the DaVinci Resolve for a long time. In glow we have no atmosphere. We can add various type of particle to shoot the atmosphere of forest, something. See, near the river, near the ocean, you can give such effect. You have to take footage like that and add. You can add like here. You see, add secondary. No, I don't use secondary, but you can add it secondary. You can see secondary glow, and you can make it smaller here. You see, smaller here, spread. You can make it spread like this. And now we play. Oh, DaVinci Resolve is better than Avid. So you can see here, and now you can change in color here. You can give this effect, red effect. You see this cinematic effect. You can add glow. Premiere Pro. Now we have this color effect, and here in secondary color you can choose another something like this color. Okay, we can track this color. Now you can see we have cinematic effect. It is the leading video editor. So you see, so beautiful cinematic effect we have added to our footage here. And you can add more if you want to strength. Anytime you can change. You see, I am changing. I'm changing on the color, strength here, everything. See, you can give, you see, I'm giving seed effect like this. Okay, here. And HB. Practice like this. If you have cinematic footage, you are colorist, this video will help you a lot. So see now, play. Market very professional. So today in this tutorial we will go through all these new features, dear friend. And you can add, like here you see keyframe, you can add animate with keyframe, and it will be very beautiful, right? Practice, right? And then you will understand. Hello dear friend, if this class is useful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more creative tutorial for you. Nowadays I am working hard, dear friend. Due to the algorithm of YouTube, this useful video is not available to our several friends, dear friend, but you can make it possible just by subscribing the channel, writing a comment, and sharing this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. Motivate me so that I can make more creative tutorials for you, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into our next step of new color features inside DaVinci Resolve here. The new feature is about face refinement. Just type here effect, here you can see effect. In effect, type here face refinement. Just drag this face refinement to here on the node. This is the color node. And now we are inside color node here. And now you can see here we have several options. This is not a new features. It's already available in DaVinci Resolve, but now we have grain effect here. So let's see how we can use this after this update. Here you can see you have to track here. Track forward then reverse. Okay, just click to track here. Now we analyzing here. It will very fast analyze. Okay, we have analyzed video here. And now you can see here show overlay. And if you want to overlay, show. If you don't want to show this, just click and click here. Okay, now we play here. So 20. And now you can see AI face refinement. We have several settings here. If you want a special class, write me. One class is not enough for this. So let's come for this update now. Now you can see we have add various type of effect on our face. Effect strength you can add here, like strength. You can add an skin. You can add contrast on your skin like this. You see I'm adding contrast there. You see on skin. And like this you can add contrast. Mid-tone you can add. You see I'm changing like this. You can add mid-tone. Color boost, if you want to add color boost here, you see. If you want to give some cinematic effect, etc, you can do here. Add tint, etc. Desaturate shadow, if you want to add like this, you can add all these things. Sign removal, if your face is shining, you can remove first. If you want to delete this effect, just click here and it will reset everything. And now just you can see here, now you can give sign effect to your face here. It will remove the sign anywhere. You see you can, in this way you can change a lots of things to your face only. These all effects will implement to your face only. Now you can see here eyes, we can give more eyes sharpen here. You see like this, we can give sharpen effect. Brightness you can add. You see I have no bright eye. You see here my eyes are so bright here. Now you play 20.2. You know it's affecting only eyes. Eyeball removal, you can remove the eyeball. You see it's affecting 2 has. So okay, now we just reset here. Now we come here to teeth here. And now you can give the teeth several type of effect. Blue, green, gamma. You can ask. You can add mask softness. You can add. Now you just play. Been released today. I just remove. I just want to show you before showing these new features. And now we come here. Skin isolation. In skin isolation, you can add here tint range, etc. You can see tint range. Temperature you can add to your skin. Skin grading. You can add contrast to your skin. Color boost, you can add color boost here. Tint, so lips, teeth, everything you can change. And now we come here to grain. This is actually our new feature here. You see here, just click here, add grain to your face. Now it will add grain effect to your face, and you can make it strength, like you see, make it small. Strength you can add. You can add the size of grain if you want to add grain effect. Softness you can add. So you can play here. New exciting features. You can see here it is adding. When you apply to your clips, then it will be visible here. You see, I am adding grain effect. Size you can add here. Let's go to our. You see, it's adding grain. You can beautify your screen here. You see, I am beautifying this. You see here, scale, scaling, smoothing. You can add a smooth effect to your face. Okay, and you can add. If you want to remove, just unclick here. And download. See, I'm changing here. In this way, you can change, add grain, effect softness here, saturation here. That DaVinci Resolve. So this is a very minute effect, but it helps a lot to refine our face. These all settings are related to our face only, refining our face, color, skin tone, etc. So you can add this. This is the green new effect here. Cheeks effect we have. You can add cheeks, change the cheeks here, forehead. If you want to add hue effect to forehead saturation, you can actually do from here. Let's explore this new feature, dear friend. Let's go for our next feature regarding color page here. Our next new feature is color tone diffusion. Just type here color tone diffuser. You see here, this is our new feature. Just drag to our color node here and just release here. And now we have all type of setting regarding this. You see here we have several settings here. You see clean, subtle, low contrast, strong, start, teal, soft, teal, high contrast, comfy, coach, dinner crunch, warm. You can make it custom. You see there are lots of settings. Just be put here to clean slate, but you can change here subtle. You see we have subtle effect, teal soft. You see we have teal soft effect, very different. Teal high contrast. We have like this contrast here, and comfy coach. You see we have this effect. Features, dear friend. No dinner crunch. You see these features are very different. We have color no. I just click here warm. You see here warm. Now we have warm effect here. Changing. We can change, make it custom. Now we have all custom 3D alerts etc. We have to add every setting. We have to change, and you can make your even custom color correction. Just we come here clean slate. This is our clean slate effect. Once now here we have all type of settings. Color space overrides. We here use timeline, use gamma input. We don't touch this. We touch this diffusion. You see here we can add resolution like this. You see here we are changing like this. You see to go through this, you can reset from here, and now we can add from here. You see I'm adding. Okay, here video without missing any part of. No, add diffusion amount. You can add amount, color tone. See diffusion amount, radius you can add on diffusion. You see diffusion effect we have the video till the end. Here come to shadow soft clip. Now we have two settings here: shadow soft clip, highlight soft clip. We just click here to shadow clip, and now we can add strength here. You see here it's visible here in curve. We can change softness. We can add here. Okay, we can add threshold, not too much, little bit. And now at the end of this video, diffusion, and in diffusion amount we can change, adjust anytime. You see here we add this radius. This is the radius of diffusion. You can see here effect here. Okay, it be able to understand the diffusion here. Now we have some natural effect here of DaVinci. And now we come here to highlight soft clip here. To highlight, just click here highlight clip. Now it will highlight, and it will. And now we have several settings in highlight here. You see we can change here like this. It's a highlighting more here in this side, highlighting left, right side it's dimming. You see it, we have dim effect. We can place dim effect. Time saving, it will help you. So we just take this highlighting little bit, not too much here. We can add softness even here, not too much. No, not while editing your video. For you see we have diffusion effect now, and tone raise. You can add intensity. You see raise effect if you want to give tone raise. Too much, not too much. Okay, very little will change here. Here, okay, this is okay for me. Bias red, you can add this setting. Bias green, these are advanced setting. Write me in the comment box if you need advanced class for this. Okay, tone, you can see a tone light fall up, preview fall, you can see here, preview here, we don't need here. Okay, apply here, size you can add, tone size here, softness you can add. So you can see in DaVinci Resolve there are lots of settings here. Exposure if you want to add here, you see. Now we have exposure. Contrast, if you want to contrast, you can add like this, you see. We don't, it's distorting our video, we'll take this. Okay, here. It's okay for me. A saturation we can add. You see, saturation effect if you want to be black and white. You see, it will be like black and white. Creativity for your productivity. I want like this. Okay, here it's okay for me. So these are all setting. Global blend you can add here. You have to explore all. Come here to clean slate. Now we have clean slate. In clean slate we can add same like this. We can change the same way. It will be our custom setting. After making all changes, you can make it will be custom low contrast. Now we have low contrast and comfy. You can in comfy everywhere we have other setting. For example, comfy catch and we warm dinner we have effect. We have just click here, teal soft. Now we have teal soft here, teal high contrast. We have high contrast, and here we can change. You see shadow clip here, we can change here shadow softness. Here we can add highlight here. You see here we can change like this. You see here same effect. So color grading in DaVinci Resolve is very advanced. You can't find in any video editor. So you have to give the time and you have to see all the setting and practice. This is our new features, color tone diffuser, and explore and use on your clip. Practice 2-3 times, then you will use this professionally for your clients. Now let's go for our next feature here. Our new feature is split tone effect. In effect, come here and type here split tone. Here you can see this is our split tone, and just drag this effect to our color node here. Now you can see we have very different effect on our video. Your one subscription gives. This is actually lots of natural. You can see natural. Just Control Z. I want to show you. You see before Control Shift Z. Now we have this effect. To make more creative. So you can use this way even without making any color grade. You see, for you. It's a very natural, but we can make it settings. We have strong. You see this tab strong. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC. It's a strong. And now come here, and this you can make it custom here, and it will be very times. Here you can change all setting. We come to natural here only, and you can see here we can add strength like this. You see I'm adding a strength. You can use this according to video, left right, just it make smaller, change little bit, you will understand. For example, you see I can give very tone, very mid tone effect to our color. You see here actually split tone is like mid tone. You see it's not distorting our video anywhere. All colors are good here in this side, this side. I like this here. Okay, pivot we can add here. You see like in this, you see pivot, it's changing like this. You see here. So here I will use some middle point here. This is good point. A hue angle you can add. You see it's changing like this. I take this point here, this point, it's a very good point. It will help you a lot. You see it has changed a lot. Now you can see before, while and you can see here after editing your video for your create before and after activity for your productivity. So you can see a lots of things you can do. This is a really cool feature, and you can add protect neutral. Just click here, preview fluence. Now you can see in the preview how it has changed our video. Here all thing is visible here. So unclick here, and here we have color space override. We can use here, but most of time we don't use this. Okay, blend. If you want to add blend effect, you can add this, but we need only this. And if you want to use a strong, it will be stronger. Do this video without missing any. In stronger, you can add a strength same like this. You see here. I add this is a good point here, and pivot here, this is the good point here. Okay, yes, this is good. And hue angles we have to take. This will add angle hue, color angle you see it's adding color. You see here this point. Okay, and now you can play the video. This is the before and this is till the end. This is the after. At the end of this video you will be, this is the after. So there is no any definition for color grading, dear friend. It's a choice of your eyes, your taste, and the person who need which type of clips they need, how they want color grading. Everything depends upon the choice of customer. So you can see here a strong, and we can make it custom. If you want custom, just preview here, and now you can add here custom. I want to make it like custom. Okay, this pivot here, strength here, add hue. Okay, highlight if you want to add. Okay, this here, this is good point here, and you can use hue. I want to add this good point. Now you see before and it's after. It will be very time saving it. So use this new feature, explore, and write me in the comment box which type of tutorial you want about DaVinci Resolve, or especially about color grading, which type of tutorial you need. These 5 features are game changing features in color grading. Now we are on the Blackmagic forum page here, release of DaVinci Resolve 20.2.3 here, and here you can read all. And let's see what's new here. The following features have been added or updated. Support for Blackmagic Raw SDK 5.1, up to 4x faster magic mask depth max super scale on Intel GPU. If you have Intel GPU, then it will be very faster, 4x faster magic mask depth mask super scale on Intel GPU. Keyboard customizable action to toggle time line keyframe tray. So this is the new. And pasting a spline window tracking data no longer reset a spline shape. Workflow integration plugins are now persisted across restarts. Data burn in owner's limit timecode display to 24 hours. Object marks now invalid for edit and input sizing changes. These are some new features, some advanced features here. These are the bug fixes etc. here. You can read one by one here. And after that, note here, you can see Intel driver. If you have Intel driver, DaVinci Resolve Studio 20.2.3 AI features like Magic Mask 2, Depth Map, and Super Scale show a vastly improved performance on Windows with modern Intel platforms. User will need a compatible Intel GPU, discrete or integrated, that supports OpenVINO. Remember that support OpenVINO. Then you will use this new feature here, and a minimum driver version of 32.0.101.8247. So remember this driver version 2 to leverage these improvements. Rendering immersive project improvements to AS blend in immersive project include change that more closely align the Resolve and Vision OS previews. This will change the render for existing immersive projects here. These are some changes and improvements and some new features there, dear friend. Stay connected with our channel, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.